আছে ছিল অ্যাট দিস মোমেন্ট আমি একটা ভিডিও রেকর্ডিং করছি তুমি ওটা দেখো
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಆದರದ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಷಷ್ಠಿಯ ದಿನವಾದ ಇಂದು ದ ಬೆಂಗಾಲಿ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಿರುವ 68ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ದುರ್ಗಾ ಪೂಜಾ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವ ಅತಿಥಿ ಗಣ್ಯರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜಿ ತಂಗದುರೈ, Director, Presidency Group of Institutions, Mr. Ian Mercer, Head, International Operations of the Institution of Engineering and Technology, and noted violinist Dr. Anish Vidyashankar. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಹಾಗೂ ನೆರೆದಿರುವ ಬಂಧು ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೂ ಸಭಿಕರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ.
Shubho Shondha, Shubho Shoshti. It is a supremely auspicious evening to be gathered here at the Manpo Convention Center, Bangalore, on the 6th day of the Navratri, when Bengalis worldwide gather to welcome the Devi on her annual sojourn on earth. As foretold by the stars, this year Devi Durga arrives by boat. And as you can see on the Durga stage, keeping in with this idea in mind, we have designed our decor for the Durga stage. Taking our program forward, I now call upon Mrs. Runu Roy, Vice President, Bengali Association, to deliver the welcome note.
Good evening and a very hearty welcome to all our honorable guests and all of you present here. Today is Mahashashti, the first day of the Durga Puja. We welcome Devi Durga, as we know, the eternal mother. We chant, Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Matrirupena Sanasthita Namastasmai 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 Namo Namaha. This is the 68th Durga Puja celebration of the Bengali Association Bangalore. This time, it's a new venue and all of us, the entire Puja committee had to really work very hard to organize this festival in a new place. I am also a part of it, and everything was done under the able guidance of the President. Thank you. Dear friends, the entire working committee, I feel, really deserves a big applause for their hard work. Now, with the permission of our honorable guests, I will speak a few words in Bengali, our sweet mother tongue, Amori Bangla Bhasha. নমস্কার, বেঙ্গলি অ্যাসোসিয়েশনের ৬৮তম পুজোয় সকলকে স্বাগত জানাই হোয়াটসঅ্যাপের ছোট্ট একটা পপুলার ছড়ার মধ্যে দিয়ে। ষষ্ঠীতে থাক নতুন ছোঁয়া, সপ্তমী হোক শিশির ধোয়া, অঞ্জলি দাও অষ্টমীতে, আড্ডা জমুক নবমীতে, বিজয়ায় হোক মিষ্টি মুখ, পুজো সবার ভালো কাটুক। সকলকে জানাই শারদীয় প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা। পুজো আপনাদের সকলের ভালো কাটুক, আনন্দে কাটুক। নমস্কার and thank you.
Thank you. A short note of introduction of our guests on the stage. We have with us our chief guest, a distinguished educationist and the director of the Presidency Group of Schools. Dr. G. Thangadurai is a Tamilian born in Orissa, a brilliant administrator, a prolific writer, an eloquent speaker, and the teacher of teachers. I personally count him my mentor and inspiration. His academic achievements are exhaustive. He holds postgraduate degrees in English and economics from the University of Madras, along with a master's degree in education and a certificate in teaching English from the English and Foreign Languages University of Hyderabad. Notwithstanding, he has completed the Strategic Leadership Program from IIM Ahmedabad. His unflinching dedication and remarkable contributions in the field of education have won him the prestigious National Award from the President of India, then Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, on 5th September 2002. We are deeply honored, sir, to have you with us this evening.
Among our guests of honor, we have Mr. Ian Mercer, Head of International Operations for the Institution of Engineering and Technology. Ian Mercer was born in Liverpool, UK in 1960. Educated at Sir John Dean's Grammar School, Norwich and Liverpool University, in 1981 he joined Swedish automaker Saab Automobile, initially in the UK market, before transferring to Germany to manage international, military and diplomatic sales. He was fast-tracked into a factory program for high achievers called the Saab Institute of Management, which catapulted him to a permanent position at Saab head office in Trollhättan, Sweden. He headed various international business development projects for the Swedish automaker across Europe, the Middle East and Asia, and in 1997 the chief representative of Saab Automobile for mainland China. Following the takeover of Saab by General Motors in 2001, he became head of premium brand strategy for GM in the key markets of China, Hong Kong and Taiwan. After a 20+ years in the automotive business, Ian decided to look for a new chapter.
just 26 years old, but our next guest, Dr. Anish Vidyashankar, has been a professional musician for more than 20 years. What has set him apart from other violinists is that he moves around as he plays, and not just on stage, but even among his audience. Anish's infectious music transcends age, genre, and even nationality. He comes alive on stage, a place where he feels the most creative, even fusing tunes impromptu. His musical journey began at the age of 3 when his father, noted violinist S.R. Vidyashankar, his only guru till date, started teaching him to play the violin. Eager to learn, he used to hold the violin fingerboard while his dad played. Anish started off as a Carnatic musician and went on to learn Hindustani and Western classical music. He now plays varied music and credits his parents, who never restricted him to listen to any one genre of music. He creates his own music on stage while he merges one song into another, which is why no two of his concerts are ever the same. Receiving the honorary doctorate in music from IVUP Niti Aayog, Government of India, is a phenomenal achievement at this age for the young violinist who has big plans for the future. So it is a privilege that you could be with us today. Thank you. Carrying our program forward, may I now call upon the Honorable President, Bengali Association, Shri Shubhendu Ghosh, to address the gathering.
Namaskar, good evening. Respected Dr. Tangadurai, Mr. Ian Mercer, and the child prodigy or the teenage prodigy, Dr. Vidyashankar. Mr. Minmoy Lahiri, our Board of Trustees Chairman, Mrs. Renu Roy, the ex-president and the present vice president, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed my humble privilege to be on stage today among I would say a spectrum of luminaries, and in the Bengali Association, my home ground probably. A short background would be that the Bengali Association, for the benefit of our guests, has been having its Durga Puja for more than 68 years. We ourselves, as the Bengali Association, have been throbbing an association for the last 59 years since registration. What you see in front of you is a sample of the colorful atmosphere we have. I'm sure Ian Mercer would say that it's probably a little more colorful than Norwich or Liverpool, sir. Thank you. These are the ways we wait for in the whole year. The next 5 days is something which we yearn year after year. Sometimes wishing it never goes away, but it does. Anyway, I can only hope that all of you will have a happy time out here. You'll see some of what our talent says, what our talent does, what our young talent could do. And as Mr. Renu Roy had mentioned, it's been sheer hard work by a band of people for the last 3 months. I would say the ages will be from 8 to 80, I don't know, maybe 7 to 70, but they put in all their efforts to make dreams come true. Thank you very much for being out with us here. We're really grateful. God bless. Take care.
We would like to hear our guests this evening, and I would first like to call upon Mr. Ian Mercer to say a few words.
Wow, I'm truly honoured to be here tonight to sharing this festival, Puja. I wasn't expecting to be talking tonight, but I can see, having walked around here, all of the hard work that's gone into the event, and I know there's going to be a lot of hard work done over the next few days. Thank you very much for welcoming me here tonight, and thank you very much for inviting me. I truly mean that as a heartfelt thing. And I hope you have a fantastic festival and that you all enjoy yourselves and have a very happy and peaceful time. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you, sir. We would like to hear a young star, the noted violinist, Dr. Anish now.
First of all, a very warm welcome to everyone as well, because we were welcomed extremely warmly by the entire team who is responsible for putting them up. So I think I'd like to start off by saying that, can we all give the entire team who did this a very big round of applause for putting up such a wonderful ambience today for the auspicious occasion of Durga Puja. From the past couple of years, I've been very actively participating in Durga Puja festivals, and I have to say this has been one of the most grand scale Durga Pujas, and that's and the decorations as well. It's just mind-boggling. So kudos to the team, especially the boat theme that we have this time. As a violinist and as a musician, you know, I travel across the world and play the violin. And what I do is I take our Indian cultures and I take it abroad. In fact, next month, 9th, I'm off to the US and Canada. So I'm performing there. So what I like about all of this, you know, is that even though the festival and traditions have come from our elders and their elders, it's still carried forward today and celebrated in such a large way. And this is what I take into different parts of the world and perform with my music. I take our art and showcase it to different countries all around the world. And I've been successful in doing so in 27 different countries till now. And I will definitely continue to uphold our traditions, our festivals and our cultures, because I personally believe that the Indian traditions and cultures are one of the most deep-rooted forms and deep-rooted cultures all over the world. And so is our music. So I think we need a big round of applause as proud Indians, you know. So this kind of vibrance, this kind of colors, this kind of energy that we get over here is just fantastic. And I'm very, very proud to be an Indian, and I'm extremely honored to be present here with the wonderful dignitaries and all of you to celebrate Durga Puja together. And I'm sure we have fantastic performances lined up as well. And I promise all of you that I will be back here next year and I'll perform for you live. And I would like to give that to the association, and that's my promise. So I will be here performing for you as well, and I'll walk amidst the crowd. So I would like to see all of you the next year. All the very best for this Durga Puja. I'm here to enjoy the festival with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Anish, for your encouraging and kind words. May I now request Dr. Thangudurai, please share his thoughts with us.
Shubha Sandhya and Shubha Shashti. If I am allowed to repeat what Aninda has said. My greetings to all of them on the dais, and my namaskar to all the audience here. Mr. Rudra Shankar Roy has given me permission to speak in English. I don't know whether he gave me the permission, but he asked me to speak in broken Bengali if I can. This is my first venture to Bengali te bhebe kotha bolte amar prothom চেষ্টা করছি। যখন এই পন্ডাল আমি আসলাম, সব থেকে অনেক সুন্দরতা অ্যাট্রাকশন ছিল মা দুর্গার মূর্তি। এই মূর্তি typical classical traditional cultural preserving the cultural heritage. It has been a replica of good old days. It's an exact replica of the kind of murti that I used to observe very closely when I was a child. As Anindita introduced me, I was born in Odisha, brought up in Bihar, had my higher education in Chennai and then in Hyderabad. I started my career in Bihar, then Odisha, then Gujarat, then I came down to Tamil Nadu to start a school, international school, then went back abroad, came to Bangalore, a real personification of national integration, where I have seen the life and shades of different parts of the country, and somehow I'm very, very nostalgic about Bengal. That's because in my childhood, my closest friends were my paras, my street, the colony where I lived, where most of them were Bengalis. And that is how I have been very considerably influenced with the Bengali culture, tradition and practices. In fact, যখন আমি ছোট ছিলাম, স্কুল থেকে আসতে আমি ঠাকুর দানাম যেতাম, and I used to see this murti being crafted by the Kumartuli craftsmen in such a fashionable way that I used to observe every inch of the making of Ma Durga, right from the freshly cut bamboo sticks, which used to be the structure, and then cushioned with the freshly cut harvested hay, and upon it the smearing of the clay. And every day I used to observe closely the making of Durga till a day like this, when Durga comes to alive, and that is the beginning of the festival of Durga Puja. My mother used to speak Sposhti Bengali. She used to speak Khub Sposhto Bengali, and if you can put her among the Bengalis, we can never identify her as a Tamilian. She has the semblance, the look and the Sposhto of Bengali women. And I am very nostalgically about Ma Durga, and also at the same time I think of my mother. It's a great pleasure, and I'm fortunate that this mother has called me today to talk about my mother and Ma Durga. And it was those days when right from childhood we were privileged to have new clothes on every Durga Puja, because we were immersed in the kind of a culture. And today, after so many years, Ma Durga has facilitated ek nutun jama ajke jo ami porechi, eta nutun jama. So it's a great pleasure that I have this nostalgic immersion and participation with all of you, and most importantly, the religious fervor that goes with it, and the reverence and the practices of the rituals has been very closely associated with my life. So I am very privileged, and I thank the Bengali Association for giving me this a great opportunity and first of the kind in my life to be a part of the inaugural ceremony of the first day of Durga Puja. Thank you, Bengali Association, and thank you for all of you for your patient listening. May God bless all of you. And here I would like to also say that this is the day when, not this is the day, maybe by end of this Navratri, the goodness will prevail against evil. And I wish that leading children towards the future, we at our educational institution take so much precaution and so much care of the children. May the Ma Durga bless us that these children will be safe, because we are all very concerned of the developments is happening around. So with these prayers, with the word of thanks, I thank you once again for inviting me to this great function. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your appreciative words. We have a surprise package here. Our FM partner, the Red FM, has sent over one of their RJs. So I now call upon RJ Tuhin to take over the stage.
नमस्कार, केमन आछो तुम्हें? सबसे पहले तो मैं क्षमा चाहता हूँ देरी के लिए. To our judges as well, I would like to apologize for being late. Stuck in traffic. That's a regular excuse you keep in Bangalore. Well, my name is Tuhin, and मैं Red FM पे शाम का शो होस्ट करता हूँ, which is called KE 935, शाम को 5 से 9. अभी 1 घंटा मैंने रिकॉर्ड करके उसके बाद यहाँ पर आया हूँ. Well, I've been attending Durga Puja, and I love being here. Well, first of all, we are really proud to be associated with this puja. This is one of the biggest ones in Bangalore, and we are really happy to be associated with this association. Of course, if you look at the Durga Ma, the ladies in Bengal, they are a symbol of prosperity, a symbol of power. That's why you see all the Bengali men saying yes to them all the time. Yeah? Is that so?
Yeah.
She's very happy. Yeah. This happens with you? Yeah? All the time? Well, what's the key? Everyone just wants to know that. Well, the beauty is... The beauty comes out more during Durga Puja, and this is the best time I have enjoyed, and this is the first time I'm attending a puja in Bangalore, and this is one of the biggest ones, so I'm really happy. All the best, and enjoy yourself. Prosper, and as we say, let there be harmony, let there be love, and let there be prosperity. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good evening.
Thank you, Tuhin. As we bring our inauguration ceremony to a close, I would like to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of our President. It is with a deep sense of gratitude that we thank our dignitaries on stage for their presence and good wishes here this evening. Your time and presence here is greatly appreciated. I take this opportunity to thank the organizers, the various members of the Durga Puja committee. Our speakers have thanked them before, but they have put things into place and worked really hard over the past 3 months, and their efforts are coming to fruit. I would fail in my duty if I did not thank the Managing Committee of Manfo Convention Center for this well-appointed venue with its many facilities that helped us host this Durga Puja this year. Our gratitude goes out to the staff of Manfo for ensuring the smallest glitches are smoothened out. We thank the Red FM for joining us here this evening. Coming to a close, we once again invoke the blessings of the Devi Durga, for whom we are here this evening, to ensure the smooth and safe conduct of this year's Sharadiya Utsav. Ladies and gentlemen, we bring this inauguration to a close, but do stay and watch and encourage our little performers who are coming out with our cultural program. There is a lot of noise backstage, so we will not take up any more of their time. Thank you. Good evening.